Hi folks, welcome back for another maintenance video of my ZX. So this time I'm going to replace my tires and my rear brake pads. So right now I'm running on Michelin Pilot Road 5 and the tires have been there with me for around 10,000 kilometers and now they are completely depleted. But I have a surprise for you. So catch up on this video, what tires I'm going to change today. So this tire replacement has been overdue for some time. Now my tires are completely depleted and almost I could see the thread in some places. So today morning I was skeptical whether it will last up to my service center, which is some 120 kilometers from my home. But I have another 45 kilometers to my service center, and I hope these tires will last up to there. I can feel there is almost no grip in these tires, and I could feel the tires slipping between my legs. So one good thing is the climate has been very good today. Not very hot. It has rained yesterday and the climate is somewhat colder, so the roads are very cold and the tires don't get heated up very easily as in a normal day. So I think I can take these tires up to my service centers, which is in Nagarkoil. So that's full power mode on the new tires. So I have changed to vredestein tires. I'm unable to properly spell the name of the tires. It is a subsidiary of Apollo Tires, which is now manufacturing superbike tires in India. The tire is very cheap. The rear tire cost around 16,000 rupees, and I heard it will last for around 10 to 12,000 kilometers. The grip is good. I have used the tire for around 40 kilometers now. Sorry, 25 kilometers. The grip is really good. So now I have to see how the tire behaves in rainy conditions and how long it lasts. So I'm testing the new tires on all types of roads. So that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching. See you all in another video.